Hey everyone, how's it going? I know I haven't made a video about my robot in quite some time, so I want to introduce you to a test model of Scrambles the Death Dealer version 2.2. Just to go over some quick things. The frame has been redone and is now 1.7 inches as compared to, I believe, 2.5. Here's the old one. So yeah, it's kind of hard to see, but there's a difference there. For the guts, we've got that black wrap thing. That's a 1,000 RPM gear motor. Everyone that has a decent Beetle uses those for the most part. I changed the layout. The weapon motor is no longer in the dead center. It's now off to the side, like there. And if I'm not mistaken, it's a Carnegie 1450, 200 watt, something like that. It's pretty small. Upgraded the weapon shafts to some steel rotting that I got that I drilled out, tapped out. I've got 1024 button head machine screws in them. It's pretty strong. I've already gone through 3 taps just to get the threading for these. And I was being a cheap college kid, so instead of buying motor mount plates from Kitbots, I just made some out of some sheet steel. Right now I've got Dave's hubs and some 3-inch light flight wheels, but I also ordered some Banebot subs because I have these 2 7/8 inch Banebot wheels, and I've got the weight that I can use for it. Because the old setup weighed a little bit over 3 pounds when I had all the options I wanted on it. This one, as it's currently set up, weighs 2 pounds 4 ounces, I believe. I don't know where the magical weight loss came from, but I like it. And you can see, as compared to the old weapon, it's got a ball bearing, 2 ball bearings, and 2 blocks like that. What I did was I got linear needle roller bearings. Well, I guess not linear, but I got one press fit into the pulley and one press fit into the actual rod. That's why I had to get this monstrosity of a drill bit. This thing makes some noise. Sorry, neighbors. What else I got is some little UHMW sliders made. Of course, a custom made urethane belt. Nothing special. Some nylon spacers. Still running a little 3-still 850 milliamp hour battery. That, if I calculate it out correctly, that means it'll run for 3 minutes, just about. So that's really all you need if you last that long. Still got, you can't really see it under there, the Sabertooth 2x12 running the drive, and of course the standard receiver, 25 amp brushless controller, wiring harness that I made, blah blah blah. But now to the fun part. I'm going to show you just how much fun this thing is now. Because I thought the old one was fast. This one's a lot faster. Let's see if I can do this one-handed. Damn it. In the hole. There we go. Alright. Everything's powered up. And I'm just going to tick it up on the trim until it starts up. Now this blade right now is not balanced. I just made it in the last half hour or so to test out the new blah 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 bearings. That's what they're called, bearings. And so far they are a hell of a lot faster, and I guess I just made it better this time around because they have very little. I mean, these set screws that are not set screws, these machine head screws that are holding the two together. I torqued the crap out of those, and it's holding them. And you can see how gently I'm pulling this thing, just very, very easy. But I'm gonna give this thing a little bit of throttle, and it's not balanced, so it's gonna shake. So actually, oh, I have clamps. I am back. Hold on. I realized I could clamp this thing down because I have clamps now. And I'm still not going to put up the full throttle because of how unbalanced it is. But also, it just really goes. So I'll go ahead and give it a little bit of oomph. You can see the throttle is about not very high. And you can see it's shaking. It's actually putting off a decent amount of wind. Let's give it about 25% throttle. Still holding up, so it appears. Let's put it at 50. As you can tell, it's shaking everything on the table now. Yeah, I'm not going to try 100% throttle because I got a lot of stuff on this bench that could go flying easily, and this, I don't want to find out what this thing's breaking point is, if something bad's going to happen, but yeah, just to let you, just to see. That tiny little motor goes. Well, after I get the actual aluminum bar machined, courtesy of Alex Horn, thank you for that, by the way, and I can't wait to use it against you in February. After I get that back in, I will assemble it and show you everything this thing can do. So for now, that will be all. Hope you enjoyed watching, and keep a weather eye out for more stuff coming soon. Oh, and Motorama comes in February, so you'll actually get to see this thing go up against the East Coast best, and hopefully I don't make a fool of myself this time around. Alright.